They are gun store. Mother love clicking. Watch your road. Don't make them.
I don't know any of me. I'm a friend gun smoke there. I got mashed up.
Comments, no. Comments, no.
And the boy fight there to crown.
Mother love.
Mother love and the passing. Taking the whole passing.
Mother love.
Mother love. So my bad man friend here. And the badness in my daily still.
Comments, no. Comments, no.
Now win this year. You go show no. You go start the war from Tone Keg Albo.
Remember.
Winning up. Yo, any you win a win. Jamaica go turn in at 80. Mother love.
You want just.
You never ramp with me MP just. Martin in. Yo, take that to winner.
Wagwan my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. Yo, me have a video for sure now, you see guys. Like I'm one of the worker, they at the fire station. I have a meeting overall, you see me? So one of the worker decided to record the thing, bro. You know, some man I no idiot, you know, bro. So yo, the man I record the thing and the man say, yo, watch you know, this meeting can't be recorded, and the man turn up on him foot and say, yo, why? Me have my right to record it, see it. Jano guys, watch a full video guys and tell me what you think. And guys, you know, say I drop the man MP and I want them man them to record it. Yo!
Alright, morning ladies and gentlemen. Let me just state that this meeting will not be recorded based on what I've seen here. So I'm going to ask Carpenter just to remove your recording device.
By recording, what could you clarify, sir? Are we supposed to take note here? So we are not recording.
Can you remove it from your Facebook, please?
And if I don't,
Then we are going to remove it.
by whose authority? You would have to call the police. You can't destroy the property.
No, I'm not going to destroy it.
What are you going to do, Mr. Good?
That is what is going to happen. So before we proceed, I'm going to ask you to kindly remove your device.
On what basis? The commissioner is a lawyer. You cannot stop people from recording. He can tell you. He can inform you to that.
Please, I'm not going to be in an impact on people like that. You're asked to remove your recording device and you actually do that. No. Remove your recording device.
And I refuse to do so.
So we remove it. And if you can't do it,
A meeting like this should be live streamed, Mr. Commissioner. Why the secrecy?
no. My meetings are never recorded or live.
Your meeting?
Yes.
You are on the public time. You are being paid by the public.
Sir, I can't do it.
You are being paid by the public, Mr. Commissioner.
You have this member remove from the meeting, sir, please. You have removed from the meeting.
I asked you before, I'm saying to you, remove your recording device from this meeting.
And I said I have a legal right to record.
Who authorized you to do that?
I did no other right. I am a member of the Jamaica Fire Brigade. We are here to discuss our salary being reduced. A meeting like this, as a matter of fact, you should be providing documents and statements as to the amount that my salary will be reduced by. Failing to do so, I must capture the information in a way that I can dissect it. A meeting like this, where are the documents? Pack up and leave. You have lost all more than 100 money house. You receive a salary of 15 million per year, and you have retained your call out. Assistant commissioners, they have retained their call out. The deputy commissioners, they have received their call out. The superintendents, they have retained their call out. What about the assistants? So, what about the sergeants? What about the corporals and the firefighters?
That will be done, and then commissioner will return back to the meeting.
Run away and hide. Run away and hide. I have a right to record. You have a right to record. Let nobody intimidate you. Know the law. I have a right to record. You have a right to record.
So viewers and subscribers, tell me I wish one of them right. Is it either the man them where keep the meeting or the youth? I don't feel like the youth should record or not. When I waste no time, I show you the next piece of video where the man in him car and you know him get lift up. With the man them will lift up your car if you park on a certain part, you see it. And you know so I see one video one day and a policeman vehicle get in that same problem there, and me see policeman get back them vehicle. So guys, them want to think.
Yeah, I'm a vehicle, you know. Come on, I'm move my vehicle. That's it. Nah, watch them. I saw the regular much vehicle, I saw us up on blows and spread the line, look well, and none of them on the line, black car driveway. Nah, so them big me a money. I say, then I'm a vehicle, and I see reason for me to pay on. Man, them dock it up same way, one catch back kite, him come in front and dock it up same way. And now when they in a vehicle, then I'm supposed to take it up, is it? A part of life still. I mean, a girl has to go sew them and do it, is it? See that? My vehicle chuck up, my vehicle on. Is it? Now watch them, bro. Part of them things still, you know? Yeah.
Some of my viewers and subscribers, to tell you the truth, I don't know if that's really legal, you see me? So anybody when I watch a video, tell me if you think sir, him right if you just move the man car like that, or them right to move the man car like that, and the man inside of the vehicle, you see me? John Star, and to him, them ask him for money, and him not get it, them move him vehicle, you see it? Anyway guys, quick cook, say yo, him stepmother take away him house, you see me? Because him father drop out, them plan up and KILL in father, you see me, just for the house and the plaza. So here what I'm happy to say guys, Jano.
Charmaine, you see, you and your team will organize and kill my father, Charmaine. I put the house in my music video. Charmaine, my mama ask you what I want for the house, you know, and you tell me, say, you go sell the house and give my brother a money out of it. I know you know say you give quick cook a money, you know. And jewelness, me need to know what I go on. The next politician, me need to know what I go on. Mark Golden, me need some justice. My father can't dead. I sent Mary and not to be up to no. Me can't get no justice, Andrew Wellness. Mark Golden, me need some justice. The media put it out in the paper, say my father a gang leader. Me take it to Unia now. Cause up to now, me can't get no old. Nobody no get old for my father. Death. So my father dead for you and it hold down. This. See quick cook shoe there down at the bottom. I'm a little sister with name Sapphire where you use alkaline. Sapphire. You use alkaline. Monique. You breed for Gully God, Movado. And your mother, you know, organize and keep father, you know. You see, Monique, Movado, baby mother, a fear mother, organize and make my father dead. And the whole of them are sent me here. Oh man, the father. Up to now, I want to go like on comfortable. Me no hear you say nothing. Everybody does quiet, so. Nobody now reach out to quick cook. I mean, the bigger blood clot one. See my father there. Yeah, you don't just expect me to just live with this, sir. Eh? You don't expect me to just live with this, sir. That's for no reason at all. Over him house. Eh? And the police woman who claims that she has sent Mary. We respond to my father body. You get by out, you know. The police woman there, you know, we investigate the whole not to be a police station get buyout. The whole not to be a police station get buyout. Constant Spring police station get buyout. Oh, my father dead for this and no justice. Oh, my father Michael Aital, una say my father a gang leader. Let me take it to the media. So my father dead for ya. Cause what kind of gang leader? My father get deported 20 years now and there Jamaica. His name never called yet a real blood clot all. And the bumbo clot media and the press I put it out and say my father a gang leader. And me the round here do music and me not get no justice, no support. And my father dead, I don't expect him if he just live with it, so. Eh? Me make sure I put the house in a music video and I call him me. So people, when you go watch the video and see the house, the song named Bible. The song named Bible, it couldn't name nothing. People see it here, the house there, Ochi, St. Mary side. St. Mary there, you know, 15 minutes away from Ochi, White River side. Charmaine from Natabia, you need to come talk. Oh, my father, house I go Charmaine, you don't take the plaza. You say my father, nah, no money in the house, Charmaine. A liar in the plaza and the house. Yeah, she said my father have money in the house, but him now no money in the plaza here. Charmaine, remember when Mr. God here, I collect the money, and come down, you can take the money from mama. Me know what go on, you know. Remember, Mr. God here, people. Let me tell you why my father dead. You see the man and stepfather when you Mr. God here, him used to come collect the money from my grandmother and my auntie for put in at the plaza and build the plaza. And them tell my father said the land is selling now. I sent me arena, not a beer now. Charmaine and Mr. God here, my father are the investor. Him put in whole heap of money in the plaza. And my father money build this in the house here, you know. You see what me I say? And imagine from what him and I got 22 back and forth feet. Enough time my father go down and not to be a police station go make a report. And the police them run out my father. Me have whole heap of letter, whole heap of receipt. Right now, yeah, my sister put a tab on the house and a tab on the plaza. You see me? And so my father put the tab on the plaza and put the tab on the house. She organize her hitman. Mother. Her mother name it in the house, you know. And her mother name it in the house. And my sister, what she claims say, and my sister. Fear name and her mother name. What did her mother drop out? And you know what she do? She frauds her mother's signature and say her mother sign over the name in a fear name. Why you fraud your mother's signature, Charmaine, and say your mother sign over the house in a your name? That's a lie, Charmaine. Nothing go so. Monique,